Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to animate a sprite. So it's actually not that hard. I recently just found out how to, and I thought I should share it with you guys. So the thing is, we're supposed to do to animate a sprite in Scratch. You're supposed to go head into costumes, like over here. And then you're gonna see some costumes over here. Choose the costume you will want to animate. Like I shall choose the running one. So I've chosen that one. Now, if you wanna animate it, then all you have to do is duplicate it and just move it. Slightly move it like this. And you can see you just continue the process until you are satisfied of what you've animated. There, that's how you do it. And now all you have to do is head to the code, events, and green flag click, and then you choose the costume you want to start. I want to start at costume 1. And then wait 1 second, forever. I first switch to costume 2, next costume, and there you go. But it's going a little bit too fast. So if you want to slow it down, put it wait 1 second, or you can just switch it to 0.1. And now look. Actually, I can fix the animation. Wait. There, I fixed the animation, and now look how it goes. Kind of good, right? So if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Since I reached 14 subscribers, as you can see over here, I want to reach 20 at the end of this year, cause I think 14 was a little bit too easy. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.